One little cookie, yum, yum, yum. I eat it quickly, then I'm done. Two little cookies, crunch, crunch, crunch. I eat them slowly, munch by munch. Three little cookies, sweet and round. I eat them happily without a sound. Four little cookies taste so fine. I share one cookie, it's mine, all mine. Five little cookies on a plate. I eat them all, it's really great. Six little cookies, chocolate chips. I bite them gently, lick my lips. Seven little cookies stacked up high. I munch them quickly, oh my, my. Eight little cookies all in a line. I count them carefully, 1 to 9. Nine little cookies, soft and sweet. I eat them slowly, what a treat. 10 little cookies, now I see. Counting cookies is fun for me.